once again it's time to work out, and I'm running this lovely park. I just thank God for the grace to run. I never take it for granted. Good morning. I welcome you to come and work out. Work out is a blessing. It's important as a child of God to take care of yourself so that you keep yourself healthy to be able to serve God. Take care of your family. Live long. Have fun. So get out of your bed and exercise. I'm waiting for Raymond to run so that I can also run. Today I'm running with Raymond, Nora's son. We are having fun in the park. And the weather is beautiful. Of course it's cold, but that's not going to limit us to work out. So make sure you get out and jog. If you can't, why not walk? Get a partner to encourage you, motivate each other. Get someone you trust, a friend, so that we motivate each other, encourage one another to run, to do different things. It will help you to stay healthy. Let's fight against this demon of high blood pressure, sugar diabetes, heart attacks. Some people are dying prematurely, you know. Imagine young kids have sugar diabetes lately. So I want to encourage you to run, even encourage your children to join you. You know, it's very important so they can be healthy. It's important. You know, don't allow your children to eat junk food. Look for them. Take them in the park. Play with them football. Do all sorts of things to help your heart, to help yourself, to enjoy life. I can't understand why Raymond is not running. Okay. Thanks, Raymond. Welcome. This is so good. This is good. Wow. Okay, if you can't run, there are many things you can do. You can just go like this. See? You can be fast. Oh. Move your hands, move your legs. Oh, this is working out. Okay. Suck in your stomach and move around. You can even go down. Or you do different muscle groups. Make sure your heart rate goes up. Okay. See? Then you can add on squats to work on your legs. Squats are very good. Just go. Okay? Squats are very, very good for the back, good for the legs. Working on my legs right now. Please join me. I'm here to encourage you. Okay? Health is so important. Or you can even stay there. Just ran 4 kilometers, 4.7 kilometers. Big Raymond, let's go back that way so we can run towards home. Oh guys, it's really good. I've almost lost 7 stones. I used to weigh 20 stone, but now praise the Lord, I'm weighing 13 stone. pressure anymore. I take my time and it's great to work out. I hope I'm almost done. Morning. I hope I'm done. I'm almost done. Yeah. Right, Raymond. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I want to encourage you to work out. Don't think it's a burden, it's a blessing from God. Be happy, get a partner. Be careful, Raymond. Get a partner, and I'll be praying for you. Welcome to join our Keep Fit page. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.